natin ang pansit. May pansit. Pansit. Ayun, meron. Yung pansit.
Put it in here.
Di, Santino. This one is ubi with parang
You want me to buy chicken?
parang binignit. Mura siyang
There's no
binignit.
meat in that.
There's no name.
It's like a fucking, almost like a...
There's no name. I don't know what is the other mga foods. Rice. Which one?
That's that.
Yeah, but that's more. Just the I don't know which one.
I don't
Small or the small one.
This one up here. The three ladies.
Oh yeah.
Three ladies.
Jasmine rice.
It says right there, three
Yes.
ladies.
3 ladies? Three ladies. 3 ladies. Ayun. Chinese. Thailand rice. Thailand
Thai.
rice. Thai. Kukuha tayo ng turon saba. Ayan. Sa tino. This one then, banana boil. This one, banana boil. This one, banana boil and turon saba. Okay, banana na tayo nakuha.
Oh my God.
Ayan.
Now
Saba, then the turon saba with jackfruits. Daddy kay kuan chicharon.
Yellow.
Mugo-mugo or sito? Vita. He likes my Vita. That's Vita. He likes my Vita. Oh,
Get one each if you want. Get a
they have yellow,
one.
yellow. Alright.
What else?
So what was
Mommy
Filipino?
don't like this.
I know
Mommy
Vita.
like this.
Yeah, 1 pack of Vita. So ay igalangan i-ano natin siya. Ayan, patin ko for massage. For massage.
We have stale chocolate. Wait, we have stale this thing. Daddy, do you still have this?
Mahuli meron sa movie. Filipino snack here.
Yeah, plenty of
Yeah.
them. Whole box.
Right here is mga like this biscuit.
People don't
There's the mga
listen.
Fuji bar. Different color Fuji bar sa Dino. Different
I know.
color.
Stop acting.
So this is movie. That's what you're
Big ones.
That's enough, Santino.
Yes.
Kumuha ako ng sinigang. Ito yung mga pang-breakfast. Suman. Suman ang tawag. Paano na fresh daw? Ito. Talong kaya. So, kukunin ito ng 4. Ice cream nila, mga Goldilocks. Meron pa kong ice cream. I have still ice cream. This is the delicious one, madam. Huh? Turon saba. Saba banana roll with obi and jackfruits. Roll with saba banana. Ano pang Spanish? Spanish? No, this is delicious. So, nakadampot rin kami ng suman, 4 piraso. Ito ata yung malagkit na suman. Tapos yung sausawan niya. Ito yung sauce niya. Ayan. Parang masasarap yung mga tinda nila doon. So, ayan. It's it. Oh, this is our pancit we got today. From Mama Mabuhay Essence Market. So, orange, skin crabs. Now, without skin, then we have shrimp. Without skin, na rin siya rin brown skin. Grapes, apple, na malibig siya rin matagis din. Cucumber din, orange. So, nandito tayo sa Walmart. Tapos na kami sa Asian store. So, bibili kami ng mga karne. For 1 week lang naman ang aming grocery. Every week kasi kami mag-grocery. So, konti lang bibili na. Konti pero dumadami. Minsan. Is the up before?
6, 7. See? Pink finger cookies.
Yeah.
every day.
Oh, okay. The steak.
Cheese.
Oh, just mine, Han. Santino, I don't know what flavor you want. That's mine.
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni yours. How about with the pineapple? You want?
No.
No? Okay, pepperoni.
Why?
Yeah. This is fat one.
I'm not
Santino.
eating
That's
that.
okay. That's mine. pizza, part 1. Eh, lulutuin lang yun sa ito, steak. Lulutuin lang yun sa kay Santino, flavor, pepperoni, pizza. Ayan. That's for Santino. Alright, next. Ito naman yung hot sauce sa kanyang pagkain, siya na hot sauce. This one is, ito yung asin, pink salt. Himalayan pink. So, ito may chicken. Okay, 1 pack
A little chicken
of
for you.
chicken. Oh, ayan, chicken. Ang dami More chicken Alright. Chicken.
We got one left.
Oh, finally.
Maybe.
There is one pack of bacon. There's a lot big. They have no bacon, but okay, just put it there. Ayan, bacon. Alright. Brown pork naman niya, brown pork. Pang breakfast niya yan. Kasi yung ground beef, pang dinner niya yung ground beef. So how?
Sounds like you.
Yan. Michael cheese. For his food.
Swimming the pool.
Huh?
I'm swimming in the pool.
Are you feeling cold? Yan, cheese.
Ooh.
Swim.
Well, the pool's broke down. There's nothing.
So one box of eggs. There you go. Eggs butter. There you go. 1 pack of butter.
Is
Good.
this?
Sweet. So, meron na siyang Doritos. So just melting.
Only one.
Finally. We have left 1 box. Coca-Cola. Vanilla flavor.
We're still.
So this one is
Wow. You cannot move. Say, I want some.
basic.
Why does
Spots are setting a projector so we can rearrange this room. You just move the couch over to the other side. About my time as a kid, when I would go camping, or when I would go to summer camp, my father was always the best place to spend time with friends. And so I did something great, and my neighbor Mario and I were able to build this fire pit from scratch. The cabin on the walls around this area sort of turned it into kind of an outdoor room on its own. It's completely surrounded on all sides with no way to fall off the edge. There's no danger here. It's just fun. It's just
So, tapos na kami mag-grocery, mga kamadams. Naka 18,000 pesos kami. In Philippines money, apuan. Naka 18,000 pesos kami ang aming nag-grocery today. Oo. Alright. Woo! Kung sa Pinas to, the 18,000 is more than 1 month na yun. Ang dami pag nag-grocery. Sobrang mahal ba naman ang price?